So I've got this smart shoe dryer that it acts as a deodorant. It sterilizes the shoes, it's drying the shoes, and it also warms the shoes, which is really cool. It's good for winter. Winter is coming, by the way. If you have like shoes going outside, and then or even if you're running in the summer, you're running and then you sweat, and you can put the shoes on this dryer, and then you get them dry and deodorized, sterilized, no bacteria, which is really cool. Let's unbox it and check it out. So if I open this side here, this is how it comes. You just take it out, and then we have a menu as well right here. Boot shoe dryer instructions. So how to use it. 200 watts, 40 to 60 degrees. It has a timer for 99 minutes. So you can like dry like sports shoes, boots, leather shoes, basically anything you have. And let's check this out. So that's how it looks. This is the back. It also has like some soft feet that make it so it doesn't slid around too much. Then it has a plug, and we have this that goes up just like that, and it just stays in place like this. So this is where you put the shoes, and then it will start drying the shoes. So like I said, this can warm up the shoes, can dry the shoes, and can also make them not smell anymore, especially if you're going outside and you're sweating, running, and it's gonna smell bad. You just put them on this rack right here, turn it on. Okay, so one thing that I see right here, it has like press the return key and press the top cover at the same time. So it has a really cool safety feature where this goes, if you put it like this, it's not gonna go down. So it will just stay here unless you press this button here, which I believe is really cool. Safety feature that you should have. Now let's try plugging this in, and there we go. We can see off here. Yeah, so we have this button here which says drying. Then we have a timer, and we can set the timer for how long. So if we start this, basically blows hot air into the shoe on the side here, on the side here, inside, and it goes all out, and it will dry the shoe. And you can see that this is also showing that the drying feature is on. We can actually stop it as well. We can set a timer. We can up the time here up to 99 minutes, and let's see how low can we go. We can go from 1 minute to 99 minutes. As you can see now it's off, and that's basically it. You have your shoes, just put them on here to dry. So now I have some shoes right here. Let's put them on just like that. So that's how they go on. But I think probably this is the best way, and then we can start the drying process. That's really cool. We can actually stop it while it does this, and they are already warmer inside. Only like 1 minute in and it's already warmer. That's cool.